The faculty of the Molecular Biochemical Nutrition program are a remarkable group for a number of reasons, both in the breadth of their interests and in the breadth of techniques they apply to their interests. So it provides a remarkable environment for students to receive training and for the student to invent his or herself working with faculty. The excellence of the MBN faculty is indicated by a number of objective criteria, such as our program being recognized as one of the top 3 programs in the country, the contribution of faculty to government review committees, to editorial boards, the patents the faculty hold, their publications in high-profile journals, and lastly, but not leastly, the fact that one of our faculty has just won the most prestigious award in the nutrition field. With respect to specific faculty, I'd like to highlight a few of them, and just to compare and contrast the types of interactions they have with students in the labs they run. We have one person, Mark Hellerstein, who is an MD, PhD, who works with problems that are very relevant to, immediately relevant to the impact of diet on health, and so is developing methods to assay in human beings, non-invasively, certain aspects of intermediary metabolism. And so his students are working with analytical techniques and have the opportunity to work with both animals and human beings. And that's in contrast to another faculty person we have, Dr. Hae-Suk Sool, who works on the molecular mechanisms of the differentiation of stem cells into adipocytes. And so her students are working with more of a molecular approach to understanding how you program a gene to tell a cell to turn into a full-fledged fat cell, and what enzymes then are expressed that are involved in metabolizing fat, either storing fat or mobilizing fat. There are a wide variety of personalities and philosophies towards educating students, and in addition to the breadth of scientific acumen and expertise. And so the faculty, and personality is important as well, because you have to get along with your mentor, and it becomes a very personal relationship where you have to have the same sorts of values and attitudes. You work as a partnership. And so because of this, then students have a lot of opportunity in our program. And I think when students choose mentors, they tend to choose them on projects and techniques, but also on, is it a big lab but I'll be left alone, or is it a small lab and I'll receive very close mentoring? And so both of those opportunities present themselves.